Okay, let's do a quick cold start. Yep, that kind of weather today. So the plans are probably going to be to switch my interior trim on my sedan from this ugly old school wood trim that everyone has, and I don't really like what it looks like. So we're gonna switch it to black piano trim. Finally found the whole set, and also I'm going to replace my shift lever with this leather one. That way it will match and I will not have wood trim anymore in the car completely. So yeah, pretty much that's the plan. Turning wood into black piano. So I guess let's begin. Okay, so interior trim is installed, and now I'm probably going to switch this damaged fender right over here. Got a new one this morning. Same color, pretty good condition. So I'm just going to jack up the car and take the wheel off and start disassembling this side of the fender. Should be easy. We got some fireworks in the background, but got my ZHP back in the shop. I actually was planning on doing a quick video, me driving it for the first time, but I completely forgot and I didn't do it, so that's that. But yeah, ZHP is in the shop. Sits right there. Probably gonna do a quick cold start, right? Why not? Has dinan exhaust, so it actually sounds pretty good. Okay, let's do a quick cold start. like this exhaust. It has this rusty sound just like the M3, but sounds really good for non-M3. I'm really satisfied with this dinan muffler or exhaust, whatever this is. Okay, that's that. I think it's time to go home. As always, come to the shop to do one thing and end up doing 2 or 3 more things. It takes forever. It's really hard to leave. A lot of things going on, but I'm excited and I like doing it. So I think I'll see you next time, whenever it's going to be. So peace out.